In this video, I'll show you how to use the wipeout command in AutoCAD to hide drawing objects cleanly without deleting them. Start by typing wipeout into the command line or access it through the Annotate tab on the ribbon. From there, you can either select an existing polyline to define the wipeout boundary or manually create a custom shape by clicking points around the area you want to mask. This is especially useful when you need to cover background lines behind text, dimensions, or symbols while keeping the original geometry intact. After creating the wipeout, you may need to adjust the draw order by right-clicking the object and choosing Send to Back so important elements remain visible. You can also control whether the wipeout frame is displayed by using the wipeout frame setting, which helps reduce visual clutter during presentation or printing. While wipeouts are powerful, overusing them can sometimes make complex drawings harder to manage, so it's best to apply them thoughtfully. With regular practice, this feature becomes a great tool for producing cleaner and more professional layouts. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you design smarter and work more efficiently in AutoCAD.